Welcome to Girl DIY. Today we're going to be showing how to make your slime way bigger. And my last video, I didn't have good crema. I didn't have like a good crema ink because I used my phone and my phone doesn't have like good crema. So it's raining. So as you know, I hear some water pouring down. So it's raining. And so I got better lighting, and so we're going to take out our slime. There's our slime. Okay. And then next you're gonna have shaving. I forgot what it's called. Shaving cream, and you're going to put some. Don't add too much, because you add too much, then your slime is just gonna get watery. So if your slime gets a little bit watery, or you can add your activator. It could be eye contact, laundry detergent, or borax, or not cornstarch. I forgot the other thing. So it's gonna mix it, and yeah. After I'm done mixing it, I'll come back to you. And this makes your slime less stickier. I feel like because my slime was so stickier, and when I added the shaving cream, it got less stickier. You can add a little bit more, but make sure to add too much. More than you guys. Don't add way too much. So I'm gonna mix this, and I'll be right back at it. So I added like a little bit more because it's getting like less stickier, and I like it. So this is the final review. I feel like it got more bigger, guys. Like, whoa, look at this. Like, look at this. So make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit that like too if you want more slime videos. Bye.